Hey, Bob.
Hey, have you heard about that new Harry Potter movie?
No, I haven't. Why don't you tell me about it?
Okay, I'll tell you about it.
Dot 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 dot. Okay.
Apparently Harry got Ginny pregnant.
No, Bob, I think that's Twilight.
Oh, that would explain the slow motion turns in the camera, white pale blood-sucking people who look emo, and that cross-eyed freak Ella.
I think that's Bella.
Like the restaurant where the waiters hold a meat cleaver in their hands up to their face and ask, "How may I serve you?"